Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make multivitamin gummies step by step. Start by gathering measured vitamins, gelatin, sweetener, and liquid base. Warm the liquid gently, whisk in vitamins and sweetener until smooth, then add gelatin off heat and stir thoroughly to avoid clumps. Quickly pour into molds, tap to remove air bubbles, refrigerate until firm, then demold and store in an airtight container. Measure vitamins precisely and calculate milligrams per gummy to ensure safe dosing for everyone. Dissolve the powdered blend in a small portion of warm liquid first, then fold it into the sweetened base. Sprinkle gelatin evenly and whisk continuously off heat to prevent lumps and nutrient damage. Test one gummy for texture before filling all molds and adjust sweetness or liquid if needed for a consistent, pleasant chew. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a handy companion in your vehicle. It pairs surprisingly well with kitchen aromas. I've dropped a link and extra deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Warm the liquid slowly and monitor temperature to protect heat-sensitive vitamins while melting gelatin fully. Remove from heat before adding any delicate nutrients and stir briskly to ensure even distribution. Pour mixture into molds carefully to avoid spills and release trapped air by tapping the tray on the counter. Chill until firm, then unmold and allow gummies to air briefly before packaging to prevent sweating in the container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.